Hey there, I'm Michael Alley. Welcome back to another plumbing tip from your friendly neighborhood plumbing experts at Golden Rule Plumbing, where we're all about providing you with plumbing peace of mind. Today we're diving into the topic of a common question that homeowners like you yourself might have. So picture this. You're ready for a nice warm shower after a long day, but when you turn on the tap, you're left waiting for that hot water to kick in. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone, but let's break it down. Here's the deal. Tankless water heaters are pretty cool because they heat water on the spot, which means no more bulky tank taking up space in your home. But here's the catch. It takes a moment for the water to get nice and toasty and zip through the water heater's pipes and doodads. Ever notice that the further your water heater is from your shower, the longer it takes for your hot water to reach you? Yep. That's one reason, and if the heater is struggling to keep up with the household demands, that can also slow things down as well. But fear not, my friends, there are ways to speed up the process and get that hot water flowing again. First, give your water heater some TLC with an annual checkup from Golden Rule Plumbing. We'll flush out any buildup and keep your water heater running smoothly. Next, ensure your home's water heater is the right size. If it's feeling overwhelmed, it might be time for an upgrade. Or finally, don't forget to insulate those pipes to keep the heat where it belongs coming out of your faucet. And there you have it. With a little know-how from your pals at Golden Rule Plumbing, you can say goodbye to those long waits for hot water. Because hey, we're homeowners too, and we get it. So if you ever need a hand or a wrench, don't hesitate to call us. Until next time, stay cozy and keep those faucets flowing.